Hello friends, today we will give you some good luck rituals that can prevent bad energy in your life. Rituals to ward off bad vibes. You should cut a lemon in half, because if it's a full lemon, something can go wrong. Place the lemon on a porcelain dish, preferably white and nightclubs to each piece. You can place the porcelain plate with the lemon and the nail under the pit. You must leave the plate under your bed for 9 days, checking a diary of how it is bad. If the lemon is turning black, it is because it is very bad and something may be affecting you, because someone is already wishing you negative things. If the lemon dries normally, it means that everything is fine in your life. Let lemon absorb the tip that sent you. Let the evil fall on the envious people.
Ritual for prosperity. It is mainly effective to attract fortune and money. You should make a water preparation with cinnamon water. With this mixture, clear your floors and surface in the home only once per preparation. When the cleanup is done, it is consistent with your intention to attract good luck, money, fortune, and visualizations. You should not play with the rituals because they can be dangerous. Ritual to attract love. This ritual is very simple to do. You need 3 small lemons that are green and not so yellow, and a glass of wine. You must place the 3 lemons inside the empty glass. That's why they must be small. And you should put the glass inside your room. The lemon asks for love. You must change the lemons when they start to turn yellow. Keep in mind that they should always be 3 or maximum 5 lemons, but in odd number.
This tutorial was made by Alexis Ramírez and Rivera. Thank you.